everybody, it's March already. Oh, do you have your custom emojis for your channel? We need to reset. Ooh, let's make some for March. St. Patty's Day is coming up. Let's do it. Let's make some St. Patty's emojis. Come on along with me. I'll show you how to make emojis free. They're easy. They're free. Let's do it. Yay. Come on along. Hey everybody, have you seen my other channel, Jody Genealogy? Make sure to check that one out. And now we're going to dive into my other channel. Okay, so here is my channel and I want to make some nice St. Patrick's Day emojis for my channel members. Now I have just opened Canva, and Canva is a free resource tool that you can use to create all kinds of good stuff for your channel. You do not have to have a subscription to pay every month. You can do the free thing. You can pretty much create anything for your channel or business or whatever you're doing. So what I'm going to do is go over here. Now you can do a customized size, but really you do not need to. So lately I've just been hitting the more, and I would like to go find a square. So here's a square card. And what I'm gonna do is find some really cute emojis for our channel. So I'm gonna go over here to the left side and it says elements over here. We're gonna click that. And I'm going to put St. Patrick's Day. Now, the end result might be tweaked a little bit differently because for some reason the middle of this video did not record. So we will do it over again. So just keep in mind, you want to try to fit things in this square. I am going to choose graphics right here because that's where all the fun stuff is. We are going to choose some graphics. Now just remember that you're looking at a very small picture, not so small on a computer, but when you're on a cell phone, that footprint is pretty small. So I'm going to choose a couple things. This guy is super cute, right? Super, super cute. And if you can make it bigger, I would. So sometimes I will turn my items a little bit just to fit them in there. You want it to be as big as you can possibly get it. Control minus will take that screen down a little bit if you need to fit it in more. I think that looks pretty good. And with Canva, you need to edit it a little bit. You can just add one brightness and you're good. So usually I just add saturation to it a little bit, and I like that. And we are going to go over here and we're going to hit share, and then we're going to hit download. Now, if you want the transparent background, that does cost, and the subscription. However, you can upload this just with the square white background. Most people have, on their computers, it's white. It's not going to make any bit of difference. And sometimes if they don't have a computer and they're using their cell phone and the chat is going up, or on the side of a computer, it's actually easier to see with a white background. So it's up to you the way that you would like to choose it. But just know either way works fine. Transparent is going to cost you that membership, but you just don't need it. You do not need it. Okay, so I'm going to go back here and I'm going to delete this. And I really like Happy St. Patrick's Day. That looks great, right? Yes, it does. I like that. And I'm going to make this big. There we go. And I'm going to darken this up a little bit. Let's see here. I'm going to add saturation. So you can pretty much change the colors in here and do what you want with it. If you want to tweak it a little bit and just don't quite like it. And now I'm going to download this. And I will do it this time in a JPEG, and you can just download it and it will show up as a white background, which is fine. It's all good. And on a computer, you don't even notice that. Okay, so what else do we want for St. Patrick's Day? It's always great to have a clover, right? Always great. There we go. Okay, so there it is. And I'm going to edit this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to add some saturation. And I think it's a little bright. We're going to darken this up a little bit. And then I'm just going to save it. So, it's fun to have these emojis for your channel that people can play with. It's fun to have new things, right? It's always fun. Okay, I see something I really like, and I love these feet in the gold. That's cute. And the corgi. So darling, right? We have to have a corgi. Okay, let's do another one. I absolutely love books. So I seen this and I'm like, wait, I love books, and you can choose something that's personal to just you too. That's what makes your channel special. That's what makes your channel you. And people like those things that you like. That's why they follow you. So I'm sure there's other people out there that really love books like I do too. Okay, super cute. I absolutely love that. I am going to download this. Okay, let's see what else they have. Now, if you have the subscription part, let's check this out. They have magic recommendations that they make for you. Probably because I clicked on the book. So this is kind of the same color tone, and it's making some AI generated pieces for me. These are cute too. Oh, look at this one with the books. Oh, I have to have that. We have to have that. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love to read. I love to read. That's usually how I fall asleep at night. I love just reading some books. If you look to see what I buy on eBay, you'll definitely see that I do spend quite a bit of money on books. I love them. Okay, there we go. Download. Oh my goodness, I see the cutest little feet sticking up. We're gonna make this. I'm gonna try to fit this in there as good as I can get it. You want to be able to see the feet really good, and I'm not so concerned about the money part. Okay, there we go. Edit, and let's add a little bit of something to it, and we will save it. There we go. We're going to go to our channel on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to upload these if you don't know how. But hopefully this gives you some good ideas. Now, they might be slightly different because, well, it didn't record the first time, so we're trying this again. Hopefully this will give you some good ideas on what to do and what to make, and definitely get out there and do some custom emojis if you have memberships. It makes your channel super fun. Okay, so here I am back, and we're gonna go into the studio. So you're gonna click your icon up in the right-hand corner here, and we're gonna go to YouTube Studio. You're going to go over here to the left-hand sign, and you're going to go down until it says Earn. And then you're going to go to your memberships. And then up here is badges. We're going to go to emojis today. Now, as you can see, still stuck on Valentine's Day. Now, something different than badges is you have to put a word in. I don't know why they have this. It really doesn't make any difference. And honestly, even if you don't change the word, I don't even think it really matters. Emoji are fun graphics that members can use in live chats and comments on your videos. Upload ones that help your fans express emotions, reactions, or share inside jokes. Your emoji will appear in the emoji picker. Your members can also use emoji in the comments and live chat by typing. You can type the asterisk immediately before and after the emoji name. Does anybody really do this? I certainly don't do this, so I don't think it really matters, okay? So you can choose whether you want to do this or not. I don't think anybody would ever use this. This to me reminds me of way back in the day when you had to enter a code for everything you did. Okay, this is not the modern way to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna choose different things, and right now we're gonna replace the heart. And I'm just gonna add my favorites up here that I saved, and that would definitely be a corgi. I'm gonna replace the name, and sometimes this can also be very finicky, and you might have to play around with it a little bit. Just a little warning there, this is something that YouTube kind of needs to upgrade. Okay, what else do we need? We need a kitty cat for sure. We need a Tommy. So I'm going to choose Tommy here. And we are going to put Tom. We are going to choose another one and replace Susan with, let's see. We need a pot of gold. We cannot have St. Patrick's Day without a pot of gold. We're going to name this one Gold. I absolutely love these feet, so we are going to choose feet. I'm going to add as many emojis as I can possibly add because why not? How about Happy St. Patrick's Day? And I'm going to choose happy. It looks like I can use a couple more, which is great. Let's do the hat. Choose hat. Replace the T. Let's do a Lucky Charm. I'm going to put Lucky in there. And we're going to replace the hot cocoa, which I'm not sure if I really want to do. Might have to make another hot cocoa a little bit later. Let's see, what have we not used? Let's do the hearts. Oop, don't put a space in. It's very finicky. Okay, let's replace this one with one of the gnomes that we made. Cute. I'm going to call him Cute. Now, I really like my crazy doll, so I think I'm going to keep that in there. Let's choose another one. We definitely need this cute little leprechaun. Yes. We're just going to call him Lep because I have no idea how to spell leprechaun. Come on. No. I have no clue how to spell that. Okay, let's go. We got one more to use. I'm going to choose this little guy because he is cute. Now, I don't think I have any that are the same. Nope. Okay. We're going to choose green. We're just going to call it whatever we want. It doesn't matter. Nobody uses these. Do they really use these? Oh, and they have a new feature here. Let's see. And it says, as you gain more members, you can upload and share even more emojis. So right now I have 12. I need 10 more. But hey, I'm happy with 12. I think that's a really good number. Let's see. Advanced. Create a unique family name. Okay. What is this? What? I don't. A family name is an optional prefix for all of your emoji. We recommend picking a family name that's easy, recognizable as your brand. Huh. Well, that is something new. Look at that. That is interesting. Let's try this out. I'm gonna put Jody Green. How about that? Now, I don't know what this does. We'll see. I don't know if it does anything. Maybe this just saves it as like you can put St. Patrick's Day or something. That is a new feature. I'm going to save and publish. You want to make sure to do this and save your items. If you don't want this and you've already done it, you can always go back and unclick it. Now, if you go back to your channel next time you do a live or you do a premiere, then people can comment and your new emojis will be updated. This is so exciting, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my little how-to, and I hope you create something fun and new. It's definitely exciting to have emojis for your channel with the new holidays. It's something people look forward to, and it can be fun for people. And if your memberships are low and everybody can afford them, then they can use them too. Have fun, everybody. Have fun creating. Have an awesome day. Bye.